the more you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more you can attract great things into your life. Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly forecast week from 21st of September to 27th of September 2020. This whole week brings lot of positive change for lot of zodiac signs. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, and my all prediction are based on your Indian Vedic astrology. So guys, let's talk about Aries Ascendants. For Aries Ascendants, this whole week you will face some type of mental stress or problem. uh, Health will be suffering and you are not comfortable. You are not comfortable related to your health will matter of concern, your mind will be disturbed, and you are not in a positive zone. Money may come from your business or job, but mental peace are missing. Mental peace are missing and you are trying to find a mental peace, and there is some dispute with your near and dear, especially your family member or your friend. You may involve in litigation. Try to avoid any type of fight or arguments with anyone. This is not a very productive week for you. From Tuesday to Friday, these 4 days will be a very struggling for you, especially in the terms of relationship, health, mental stability. You need to be careful about blood related problem. You need to be careful while driving. There is a strong chances for accident, because this week will your ascendant lord is retrograde in your first house, so, and aspecting is on your 7th house, 4th house and 8th house. You need to be careful about your health issues. If you have any type of health related if you feel any type of health related weakness, you must consult with your doctor. Don't delay or don't linger on, because this week will brings a lot of up and downs for you related to your health and related to your finance. But savings will be rise and you will be in a good zone related to your business or job. Your seniors will be satisfied, but health will be a matter of concern. You need to be careful. I'm telling you again and again. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, this whole week some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your mind is unstable, but you will be happy from your performance from workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied and you enjoy a lot of benefits from your seniors. This week when you get promoted, your salary will be hike, and if you wanna switch off your job, this is the right time. This is a time when you will be on top, and your all desires will be fulfilled related to your job and personal life. Some family members will irritate you. They are trying to dominate you, but you do your best in the terms of relationship and always think positive and do wonders in your relationship. This is a time when your savings will be spent on unexpected expenditures, so need to be careful. Don't trust on anyone. This is a time when you don't spend your money too much, because in future you need some savings. So be careful and be alert, and try to save money for your bad days. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of tension, difficulties and problem for you. You will be in a phobia. You will be in a tension. You are not comfortable in your workplace. You are feeling very uncomfortable at your workplace. Relationship with you and your spouse will be under shadow, and there is some type of dispute with your spouse are also seen. You need to be careful while talking with your parents or family members. Some type of issue will create due to your bad words which you use in front of your parents. Give some respect to your elders and take some blessings for your parents' side. This is not very productive week for you. Money matters also affected. Your expenditures will be sky high and your earning is not very promising. And this whole week, some sudden or unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You need to be careful about your health issue. Stomach problem will be irritate you, and you are not feeling comfortable in this whole week. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. For Cancer Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positivity, peace of mind and relief. Someone may new enter in your life, or your old friend may enter in your life, and you will enjoy very good moments with your family and friends. Your family will support you, your friends will support you, and you earn a lot of money in your job or profession. If you are unmarried, if you are finding your husband, or you are finding your companion, this is a right week for you, and your old desires will be fulfilled. You will find a nice person as per your expectations. This week when your bank balance will full, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Long distance and short distance journeys are also seen in your transit if Mahadasha is supporting for you. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. For Leo Sanders, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. Some unexpected money will knock you, and you will be on another height of success. If you are waiting for any deal or any type of contract, then this week will be game changer for you. You may sign new contract, and your old deal will mature, and some unexpected money will knock in your account. I would suggest you open new bank account, because a hug amount of money will knock you, and bundles of money will knock you, and unexpected gains are also seen in transit. If you do your best, you will be on another height of success, and there is strong chances you may start any new venture with your new friend, which will be act like a game changer. This whole week brings a lot of happiness, positivity, and lot of enjoyment for you. Your family will support you, your father and your mother will support you, your spouse will helping you, your kids will loving you. This whole week you will be sky high, you will be top, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Sanders. Virgo Sanders, you need to be careful about your health this week. From 21st of September to 27th of September, you are not comfortable related to your health. Some acidity problem will irritate you, some backbone related problem will irritate you, nervous system related problem may irritate you. You need to consult with any doctor before you have any type of negative symptoms. This is a time when some new people will enter in your life, and they give you new opportunity to invest your money in their business, and this is the right time to start a new business, because Mercury is in exalted sign in your first house, 21st and 22nd of September. These 2 days are highly benefited for you if you wanna start new business venture with someone. Family will support you, but you are not feeling fresh, and your workplace, there's a lot of tension, lot of stress at your workplace. You are not enjoying your life at your workplace, because there's a lot of targets, lot of pressure from your seniors which you are trying to fulfill, but you are failed to fulfill. So do your best, leave the rest on God, do your 1000% best, then you will get 100% result. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Sanders. Libra Sanders, from 21st of September to 27th of September, this whole week brings a lot of unexpected gains from you, because Rahu Ketu is going to change our sign, and there is a strong chances to long distance journey. Those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, this week will be a very promising. You may get PR, you may get visa, you may get a foreign travel, and you may get any foreign partner, and your company will be in a good profit zone. If you're a businessman, you may contract new contract in foreign land. Some unexpected gains will knock you, and all type of problem sort out in this week related to your finance, related to your business. And if you are willing to apply some government loan, then this week is a very productive for you. Your loan will be click, and you will be on another height of success. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. For Scorpio Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will be on another height of success. Unexpected gains are seen in your birth chart, but you will be in a great stress and tension due to some family issues. This week, when good fortune started smile for you, some foreign business or some foreign partners will enter in your life, and if you start a foreign venture with some foreigners, this is the ultimate week for you. Some unexpected money will knock you. This is a time when your family will support you. Health of your mother will be affected, but blessings of your parents always with you. This week you will start a new business with foreigners, and this week will be a biggest game changer week for your professional life. You will earn bundles of money, you will earn name, fame, prosperity, and there's a short distance journeys are also seen in your transit if Dasha is supporting you. So now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. Good fortune is in your favor. If you want to switch off your job, this is the ultimate time. This time, if you want to change your job, you will get a wonderful job with salary hike. Jupiter is in your first house and showing all blessings on your 5th, 7th and 9th house. Guys, this is a time when your daily income will rise. If you are in love affair, your love affair will turn in a long-lasting relationship. And Jupiter 9th aspect is on your 9th house, which will bring a lot of good fortune for you. your family and your father will support you, and good fortune started smile for you. Your mud will turn in gold. You will be on success path in this week from 21st to 27th September. Whatever you want, you will get easily. Your all desires will be fulfilled, and you will enjoy all type of comforts, materialistic comforts and luxury. You will enjoy a lot. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, you need to be careful dealing with your spouse. This is a time when you will be in a great stress in the terms of relationship with your spouse. Saturn is in your first house and retrograde till 29th of September. This is a last bad week for you, struggling week for you. Please be patient. Please keep calm yourself. Don't argument with your spouse. Try to be polite and humble and do your best in your relationship. Try to do your 1000% best. You may get 10% results, but you give 1000% if you want to be in this relationship. Otherwise, divorce is also seen in transit, because Saturn aspect is on your 7th house, which will create a lot of issues related to your family life. So try to be in this relationship. Try to be humble and cooperative with your love life. Money matters will be better. You will earn a lot of money, and unexpected money will also knock you. If you are a businessman or if you are dealing in abroad, you may sign a new contract. This is a time when you will be top or you will be sky high. Some unexpected money knock you. Your bank balance will be full with money. Cash flow will make you happy, but relationship with your spouse will be affected and under shadow. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, you will earn a lot of money from stock market. If you are already investing your money, then this week will bring lot of profits for you. You need to be careful about your health related to leg pains or knees pain will irritate you. Especially Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday will be bad for your health. But unexpected money will knock you. Sudden profits will make you happy. Cash flow will make you happy. You may start a new business with someone. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will be on another height of success. This is a time when whatever you deserve, whatever you want to do, you will achieve all milestones. This is a time when new peoples will enter in your life, and they will give you lot of happiness, and they will give you lot of good advices. And if you follow that advices in your personal life, you will be top, you will be sky high. Aquarius, you should take advantage of this positive week, because this week brings lot of good fortune for you. Your family will support you, your wife will support you, your kids will support you, your business partner will support you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. Pisces Ascendants, in this week, some unexpected money will knock you, and you will start a new business with someone. Those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, they may get a PR or visa or any type of work permit. Or if you are willing to settle in foreign land, then this week is very productive. Some unexpected gains will make you happy, and your love life will be excellent. Your love relationship will turn in marriage, and your family and your girlfriend family will give green signal to your relationship, and you will start your new life. Some unexpected gains will knock you. Your savings will rise, but expenditures will also seen in transit. But you no need to worry, because bank balance will with full of money, and cash flow will make you happy. This is a time when your relationship will be sky high, and this is a time when your marriage life, if you are a married person, then your spouse supporting you, and you may start a new business with your near or dear partner or near or dear relative. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you, and you will enjoy all type of benefits. You need to be careful while driving, especially Saturday and Friday. These 2 days you need to be careful while driving, and health related issue. Overall, this week will brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, and lot of enjoyment in your personal life as well as professional life. Thank you for watching my videos. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.